Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we are going to be taking a quick look at Theta and TFuel. We talk about Theta and TFuel quite a lot on this channel, so if you guys are interested in Theta and TFuel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. So Theta right now is at that $11.66 range. We see a 24-hour increase of about 10%, as well as with Theta or TFuel itself, we see a 7.52% increase to that 30 cents. So we're going to be talking and doing price predictions for both Theta and TFuel, like always, doing price predictions for April, May, and 2021. We will be doing a little bit in detailed jumps into what Theta has done recently as well. So let's do that first. If you guys don't know what Theta is, we will be taking a look at the website here as well to give you guys a brief overview of what that is. So Theta, upcoming schedule for the Theta WPT collaboration 418, the Theta WPT season TV premiere, as well as the Theta drop on obviously wpt.thetadrop.com 425. So that is coming. Registration opens with opportunity to pre-fund your Theta drop account with TFuel, and then that 5/2 we have the first WPT Theta drop happens live during the WPT episode. So this is big. Obviously the World Poker Tour is WPT, and we're continuing to see a lot of collaboration between Theta and WPT. So hopefully we continue to see this kind of increase in really partnerships altogether. Hopefully we see a lot more partnerships come for the Theta network. I think we will, as you know, this one's looking like it's becoming very successful over time. As we jump to our next thing, we have Crazy for Cryptos. He is actually getting his own exclusive NFT drop, and it will actually include tickets to his beach party in Thailand, private Zoom calls, and more. So it's a very cool concept of Theta obviously now doing BitBoy and Crazy for Cryptos with Theta and doing those NFTs. So very, very cool. As we go to the next one, we see Theta Guardian Node GUI v2.226 has been released for macOS and Windows. This binary update reduces sync issues and increases sync speed. Your GN app will update to the latest version at startup. New to staking, find all the details on the Theta docs page. So, you know, more updates for Theta, obviously a big deal as we continue to see progress made. If we go to the, I believe the next thing we were going to look at, let's take a look here. So if you guys see this, obviously it's big. You know, it was on live TV in America. A lot of people saw the Theta network being kind of advertised for the first time, and we'll continue to see a lot more people jump into obviously Theta and TFuel with understanding that this is, you know, just a smidge, I guess, of what we're going to be able to accomplish with the Theta network. We're seeing obviously big partnerships come, and this is the first of many, hopefully, to come with the Theta network, and obviously TFuel going to benefit with Theta as we move forward. So let's take a look at the website. Let's jump into really what Theta is for those of you who don't know. Theta is the next generation video delivery powered by you. We've talked about it quite a lot on this channel. So the Theta Mainnet 3.0 introducing TFuel staking and uptime mining is coming in 70 days, 12 hours, 57 minutes. This is going to be a massive increase, I believe, on the Theta price altogether. I do think we're going to start to see gradual increases as people understand, you know, you're not going to get it for this $11 price a couple days before Theta Mainnet 3.0 releases. You're going to see a fairly solid increase by then for sure. So you can actually download the Theta Edge node to participate, and you can join today right there. But recently they did have their third U.S. patent. They were awarded for methods and systems for peer discovery in a decentralized data and streaming and delivery network. So that's very, very big. Obviously, we see live partners being that Theta.tv, Samsung VR, and G Fuel. If we go down, we can see more about their live network stats. Obviously, a lot of nodes going and doing massive things around the United States and globally as well. If we go down a little bit more, we can see enterprise validator nodes being Google, Sunny, Samsung, Binance, Blockchain, and Gumi. So big names there. As we go down to the problem, we're going to talk about why Theta is so big and really what they're trying to accomplish. So they're doing more than just this, by the way. They're doing so much in the background, in the back scenes. So we'll continue to see a lot of value, I believe, in the Theta token and in TFuel as well. So live video streaming of today has poor quality, skyrocketing data needs, and centralized and inefficient system. So what is the solution? If you guys take a look here, you can actually go into details on what Theta Fuel really does and what it provides. I won't be going too much into detail on the graphic itself, and the graphic is very cool. So like I said, if you guys haven't taken a look yet, definitely take a look. So viewers earn rewards as Theta Fuel. higher quality and smoother video streaming, as well as reduced cost of delivering video streams. If you go down to the bottom, you can actually see as well the open source platform. This includes esports, VR content, broadcasting, entertainment, music, movies, and media, as well as distance learning, enterprise conferencing, and peer-to-peer streaming. So, all of these topics are rising in today's world. 2021, we are going to continue to see, more esports, VR content, broadcasting and entertainment, as well as obviously movies and media always going up with music as well. And we obviously have the distance learning, enterprise conferencing, and peer-to-peer streaming always on the rise as well. So popularity around all 5 of these topics are big as we see open source network and protocol and decentralized apps, as well as DApps, obviously, and multiple content verticals. So we're seeing a lot of potential behind what the Theta token really provides. And now I want to jump into right away those price predictions for April, May, and 2021. Before we do these, I do want to say, guys, I am not a financial advisor. I'll never be a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing into any cryptocurrency specifically, because there are very volatile cryptocurrencies out there. I think Theta is going to be a great one to invest in. Let's quickly get those refreshes going so we can get those current prices. So we see it right now at $11.75. I'm sure the price will change just a little bit before you guys watch this video, but $11.75 is a very good price for Theta. I think we are going to see that market cap increase, and with the market cap increasing, obviously the price and the value on Theta and TFuel are both going to increase as well. So the volume only being that 518.8 million in the last 24 hours is a very low volume for something like Theta. I think we will continue to see, like I said, this price increase over time and as well as the volume. So right now we are at that 11.75, and I think we will continue to rise. By the end of April, I could easily see us around that $14 to $15 range. I think a stabilization around $14.50 and an all-time high around $15 in April could definitely be a possibility. If we take a look at the last month, we do see that it actually went to $15.90. I don't think we're going to break above $15.90 in the rest of April, but I think that all-time high of $15.90 will stand. We're going to have $15, like I said, by the end of April, hopefully. So going into the end of May, I think we will easily pass that $15.90, getting closer to the mainnet 3.0. That's going to be massive. Obviously, a lot of people understanding that mainnet 3.0 staking and everything involved with the mainnet is going to be big for everybody holding Theta. We will continue to see a rise. I think by the end of May, we will easily see a $25 to $30 coin. I know that's a lot of people don't understand how big mainnet 3.0 is going to be and a lot of the hype surrounding it. $25 to $30 is possible. I guess I should be a little bit more reasonable, and I'll say $22 as an all-time high is where I see it. So that'd be about a 2x, about very close to a little bit, under that 2x mark for the end of May. So $22 by the end of May, I think we could easily see a stabilization around $20. Going into the end of the year, I think Theta will continue to be a massive token, going to around that $80 to $85 to $90 range. $85 being that all-time high, about $80 being a good stable spot for Theta. Going into TFuel, a lot of people talking about TFuel, how it's maybe one where you can make more money because of lower market cap. Yeah, that's definitely possible. Right now, TFuel is very, very attractive. We see that $1.6 billion market cap, $48.7 million volume in the last 24 hours, which is very, very small. If we take a look at the last week, we do see a 13.86% decrease. Obviously, the crypto markets crashing really did have an effect on Theta and TFuel, as we were at very, very good prices. Obviously, with Theta, we were at $15.90, and then with something like TFuel, we were seeing some good increases, and now we're obviously seeing that dip down to 30 cents. So I think by the end of April, we will see it right around that 35 to 40 cent range, hopefully stabilizing around 35 and that all-time high, or not really an all-time high, but hopefully around that 35 to 40 cent range. Going into the end of May, hopefully we will be able to get closer to that all-time high. Obviously, that all-time high was pretty massive at 56.5 cents. I think that was overvalued for that point in time at March 23rd. However, I do think we will get very, very close to that all-time high. I think we will come about 57 to 60 cents in that range by the end of May. Going into the end of 2021, I think TFuel could easily make its way closer to a $3 TFuel as an all-time high around $3 and a stabilization around probably about $2.90, $2.95. I think it's going to be a big, big gain for TFuel and Theta altogether. So we'll continue to monitor both of these coins and see if there's anything big coming. We've talked a lot about also, Coinbase listings for Theta could be coming, and anything like that with a Coinbase listing, you could see major increases in a big like in a big way. I do want to, emphasize how good that would be for Theta and TFuel. Getting in a mainstream exchange like that would really bring out a lot of people to invest into Theta. So I do think we could see massive increases when that does take place, if it does take place. But I do think Coinbase listings for Theta and TFuel are coming around the bend. So we'll continue to watch out for that. And I'll definitely let you guys know and give you guys an update on when that does happen, if it does happen. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn notifications on, like the video. And if you guys haven't already subscribed, jump into the Discord in the link in the description below, as well as follow me on Twitter, also linked in the description below. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys all in the next one.